Kashmir Valley is in news for the last 48 hours because of the untoward incidents that happened. It all started from Khag when BDC chairman Bhupinder Singh was killed by Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists. In fact, the two PSOs now have been suspended by Jammu Kashmir police as revealed by IG Kashmir during a press conference. Simultaneously, yesterday the CRP of ASI lost his life in terror attack, and also the terrorist decamped with his rifle, and the terrorists are from Jaish-e-Mohammed. In the evening, known advocate Babar Qadri was killed by Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists at his place. He's come to his injuries on way to the hospital. Now, IG Kashmir Vijay Kumar said that the SIT has been formed, which is headed by SP Hazratbal, to further investigate the case, but at the same time said that those involved in the killing will be neutralized soon. Although there had been a threat coming from the TRF, which is no real organization but part of Lashkar-e-Toiba since 2018, whether it is Babar Qadri or for the matter journalists of Kashmir Valley or for that matter politicians. The killings are going on since 2018. The first killing was of Shujat Bukhari, noted journalist, and also this year we saw Wasim Bari, the BJP leader, who was killed by Lashkar-e-Toiba in Bandipora. And now today there has been a shift in Valley, although the presence of terrorists, particularly the Pakistan terrorists in Kashmir Valley, is between 70 to 90, and also in this year some 20 terror hideouts have been busted. In fact, in today's operation in Anantnag, two Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists have been neutralized by the security forces. With VJ Mubashir Hussain, this is Zina Zishan Fazil for Republic Media Network in Srinagar.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.